How to exit safe mode on PS4. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can exit the safe mode on PS4. This is going to be a very straightforward process, so do follow along. Step 1 is to turn off the PS4. Make sure that your PS4 is completely powered down. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button on the front of the console until you hear two beeps. This indicates that the console is turning off. Next is to start in safe mode. Once the PS4 is off, press and hold the power button again. Keep holding it until you hear a second beep, usually about 7 seconds after the first beep. This will start the PS4 in safe mode. Next step is to connect the controller. You want to connect your PS4 controller to your console using a USB cable. Then you want to navigate Safe Mode menu. Once in the Safe Mode, you will see a menu with several options. You can navigate through these options using the DualShock 4 controller's directional button. To exit Safe Mode and start your PS4 normally, simply select the Restart PS4 option from the menu and press the button on the controller. Alternatively, you can choose the Turn Off PS4 option and then turn it back on manually. After selecting the appropriate option, wait for the PS4 to reboot. It should start up normally without entering safe mode. And that's it, your PS4 should now be out of safe mode and operating as usual. If you continue to experience issue, there may be then there might be some other issue with your console which requires further troubleshooting or repair. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.